everyone, and I am happy to be back on your screen today. I'm so thankful to God to be alive today. I hope you are as well. This is Nessy's Healthy Cooking with Salad Master. My name is Nessy. Welcome. So, Nessy's Healthy Cooking is a cooking program that has been designed to help you maximize all of the nutrition in the food you cook every single day by introducing you to the Salad Master Healthy Cooking System. Today, we're going to do a very simple, easy meal that will save you time, energy, and money. What are we going to do today? We are having what we call beef springs with turmeric garlic rice. I hope you love it. A quick introduction to our ingredients today. So for the beef springs, we have chopped beef already in here. As you can see, yes, chopped beef in here. The sizes and shapes of the beef is dependent on how you want it. I have mine springy, and then I have just marinated it a bit and cooked it just a little bit as well. And then for the other ingredients, we have our chopped or diced tomatoes, fresh tomatoes, some cabbage, green pepper, cucumber, carrots, grounded garlic, some onions, and our rice. So the very first thing we do is we put the beef on fire for it to be a bit tender before we add on the other ingredients. So let's just put the fire on. Okay, and remember with Salad Master, we don't start with high heat, we start with medium heat. So make sure your fire is on medium heat. And once it starts clicking, that's the vapor valve goes off, we come and we turn it to low. So today to cook the turmeric garlic rice, I'm using my 1 quart here to do the cooking. 1 quart is the very last baby in the whole collection. It's a beautiful piece to use. You need to get one of these in your home. I'm going to add a bit of the garlic in there. So just a little garlic in here. And then I add my water. And then I add my rice. Oopsie. Okay, let me just use this to push it. So that's just it. The last now add is a bit of salt to taste. And in no time, and of course our turmeric. Have my turmeric here. Okay. Just give it a good stir. And then I put this on fire. So let's go put this on fire then. No, the beef is simmering beautifully on the fire. So with the help of this beautiful Salad Master machine, I'm just gonna chop up the onions. And I'm using cone 4 to do the chopping. So use whichever cone that you want because it gives you the variety of shapes and cutting options. I'm using cone 4 because I want it sort of a semicircle, ringy kind of, yeah. See? Very fast, very easy, very simple, very amazing, absolutely free. Make sure you give us a call so that we can share with you how you can earn the beautiful Salad Master machine. And oh, I have a surprise for you in this August, so make sure you stay tuned to hear more about what's coming to you next. So the meat has simmered to a point where I think we can add on some of the ingredients. So for that, yep. Okay, it's tender enough. I'm just gonna pour in the onions. Give it a good stir. Maybe give it about 2 minutes for it to simmer together nicely. And then I'll add on the other ingredients. All right. So after about a minute or so of adding the onions to the simmered beef, we're going to add our chopped tomatoes to it as well. Oh, look at that. Okay. Just for another minute. Mind you, we are using no oil for our beef springs. No oil at all for our beef spring. Okay, let's just cover it for a minute and then we add all of the other vegetables and then voila, they will be ready. Now it's time to add all the other ingredients, and in about 3 minutes we pull the fire off and everything is done. So please come and have a look at what's happening here. Okay, so the green peppers are going in, the carrots are going in, and then we add in our cucumber as well. Let me just give it a good mix or stir. Beef spring almost done. Now let's cover this and have a look at the garlic turmeric rice, which I believe is done as well. Come and have a look at the turmeric rice. Ooh la la, it's ready, it's cooked. Just right. I'm salivating already. Alright, I think we can put the fire off now. Are you ready to see the beef springs? I think it's ready. Ooh la la. Oh, this is good. That's it, done. Done. Beef springs ready. I'm just putting the fire off. Then I'm gonna serve up the dish. Be right back. So viewers, our garlic turmeric rice and our beef spring is ready. And today I have a very special guest in the studio, and I'm very happy to introduce her and welcome her on set. Mrs. Agbevadi, please come over and come and join me. Thank you so much for coming in today. I know you are a fan of the Nessy's Healthy Cooking with Salad Master. Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Great. So today we cooked turmeric garlic rice with beef spring. Very easy, simple meal to do. And I just want you to just dig in and then tell us what you think.
Wow.
Can I help you?
So nice.
Thank you.
So this is turmeric?
Yes, ma'am. This is turmeric.
It looks nice.
Thank you.
Okay, let me add a little bit still.
Okay. There you go. How does it taste?
I love this.
Ah,
It tastes good.
thank you. Thank you. And do you know that there's not even a single drop of oil in the sauce?
I was going to ask you, they still look dry. So I was going to ask,
Yeah.
you did not add oil to it?
No, please. With the salad master, we're trying as much as possible not to, do too much oil. You can do a little oil, but for today, no oil in our stew today, or our beef spring.
So you can actually do beef stew without oil?
You can do that. And as you can see, today is the day where you are testing to that, isn't it?
Wow.
Yeah.
Now that we are all trying to avoid cholesterol, I think the salad master is very good for you.
Wow.
To use it for your cooking at home to avoid oil.
True.
Wow.
Very true. Very true.
Wow. Did you put spices?
Actually, no. Basically natural spice. In fact, natural, by that I mean onion, garlic, kitty, all of that. That's it. No artificial seasoning, should I say. Love it?
Love it. Thank you so much.
Thank you for passing by tonight. I'm so happy that you joined me on set today.
Thank you.
One last thing, what would you tell somebody out there watching you today about Salad Master?
Somebody watching me this evening, you have to get Salad Master in your house.
Yeah?
I think it's a heavy way of making of cooking.
Yeah, very healthy. True.
And you must make sure you get Salad Master in your kitchen.
Sure.
You make your food natural, taste natural, no oil.
No oil.
Please, viewers out there, come taste this food. Get Salad Master in your house. It's help you and the family.
Thank you. Thank you. I like the way you're enjoying the meal. I will be with you very soon, so you can just go backstage and enjoy this. I'll be right back.
Thank you.
Thank you all once again, because we are all journeying back to healthy home cooking. This has been Nessy's Healthy Cooking with Salad Master. I'm your Shuli Nessy. See you next week. Ta-ta.